Hi everyone, it's Beth and Abby from SweetHearts Hair. So, the video that we've got going for you today, we've been invited to a wedding on Saturday, very excited, a good friend of ours called Sophie. So, I'm going to do like a sort of Brigitte Bardot, 60s inspired sort of down style for Abby. I think you're going to love it. Abby's had a little look at it this morning, I had playing and practice and she loved it, so let's get going. Okay guys, so to start this style, what I've done is I've just parted Abby's hair there in the middle, and then we've just sectioned off to the ear there, put the back part of the hair in a ponytail and sectioned off this side, so almost from ear to ear all the way along, and then section through the middle and pop this bit in a ponytail. And then I'm just going to clip that out of my way on this side, and we're going to braid this right hand side first. Now, what I want you to do is a little Dutch lace braid, okay? So if you struggle with the Dutch braid, I have got tutorials, I have got workshops for that. But we're only going to be taking hair from this left-hand side, okay? Okay guys, so underneath with your sections, okay? So on this side, nothing gets added. And then on this side, I'm just going to be taking quite small slices of hair, and I want that braid to sit on that part line. So keep braiding that hair underneath these sections, but only adding in hair from one side. I'm going to take this all the way to the middle part. And then we're just going to continue that braid to the end and pop an elastic in. And then just release this hair guys and do exactly the same on the other side, so starting from the ear, working upwards. Okay, so you're left with two braids like that, and what we're going to do is I'm going to place this braid just there and this braid crossed over and next to that one, so it's kind of thickened up our headband there, and it's made that braid look a lot thicker. And then what I want to do guys, I want to attach this braid to that little one there because I want this to run underneath the hair. So to do that, I'm just going to use a little grip or bobby pin, hairpin. So these are just like the mini ones, okay? I'm going to try my best to sort of hide the grip. So I'm just going to catch hold of this right hand braid here, and then catch hold of this one, and then just kind of like weave it and run it up the braid. Like that. And then I'm going to flip this pony guys, okay? Slide that across, and now what I want you to do is just join these two braids at the bottom of the neck like that. Use an elastic to join them together. You want it fairly tight, but you don't need to be like crazy pulling or anything. Release this hair down, and also release that ponytail. Okay guys, so if you wanted to, if there were a younger child or you don't want to backcomb a child's hair, you can leave this style as it is like that. So you've got kind of like your thick braid, you've got the long hair coming down the back, but we did say it was going to be 60s inspired, so you guessed it, we're going to do a nice bit of backcomb in this area. Now, with backcomb guys, if you don't use too much spray and you don't go up and down with the comb, you're not going to damage the hair, okay? I've backcombed Abby's hair before now, and I've brushed it out, a little bit of detangler, a little bit of easy brushing, it comes straight out, you're not going to damage hair. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to take really small sections of hair, and I'm actually going to angle that a little bit this way to start with, okay? So I'm not angling it there and doing the backcomb, I'm going to pull that hair forward. Bit of spray, either hairspray or texture spray, backcomb spray, whatever you find easiest. Angle the hair that way, get your comb and just push down So really getting in the root there, because that's what's going to make the hair sort of sit up from the head. And then I am actually going to bring that back comb up a little bit, because I do want quite a bit in there. Okay guys, so that's the style done. What do you think? No, I'm only joking, but I just had to show you. Look at this, it's hilarious. Imagine if I just sent somebody out like that. So, okay guys, we're gonna flip all this hair now. So just flip all that hair that you've been doing, flip it all the way back again. And then what I'd like you to do is just be patient with this bit, guys. Don't rush it. Use your comb and just gently start to brush out this back comb. Okay guys, so I'm going to do a little spin for you now. So I hope you guys loved our sort of 60s theme headband braid that we've done today. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and have a look on Instagram. We're on Instagram at SweetHearts Hair, Facebook SweetHearts Hair Design, and we'll see you again soon for another video. Bye!